Welcome to Online Tutorial 3. Today it's going to be a very short tutorial, but I want you to pay attention to what it actually is we're going to cover. And leave to one side your work on the pre-test. I'm assuming that you've already got started. If you haven't, head back to Online Tutorials 1 and 2. Make sure you're up to speed in relation to where you should be in the unit. So let's move ahead. I'm wanting you guys to make sure that you are fully prepared, not just with the materials from the pre-test, but you've got that right sense of what you're actually thinking about when you come along to the workshop. Alright? We're not going to be doing any lectures. Alright? I'm not waiting for you guys to come along and say, okay, what is it we're doing? Alright? I want you to come along prepared. The open mind, we'll talk more about that next week. But for now, I want you to open up your thinking about who you are. And to help you do that, I've got 4 short videos. They're sitting on Blackboard in the Food for Thought section on the left-hand side there in the blue. I want you to tack into there, and I want you to have a look at the 4 videos. They're all sort of different, even though 3 of them are from the one source. I want you to think about the nature of what would be happiness for you in life. Where are you actually heading? What's this journey going to look like in 10, 20, 30 years' time? What sort of a life do you want to live? And to add to that, that might be the life you might expect to live. But what if? What if money were no option? What if you could choose any type of vacation for yourself in life? What would that be? All right? Even if you think that's maybe not possible for you, I want you to entertain that area of interest, that area of passion that you might have. Bring it along to workshop number 1. Right? You don't have to shout it from the rooftops. You don't have to tell everyone, this is what I'm here for. Right? But have it in the back of your mind. Be willing to contemplate that there's this area of passion that you would love to be able to act upon if only money weren't an option or an issue. The other 2 little videos are also by this guy, Alan Watts. You may have already come across his works now. But one is about being able to live fully, right? It's so easy for you guys to think, I've just got to get this done and then I can get on to the next, get this semester done and then I can do the next semester, and I get that one and I can do the next one, then I can graduate, then I can get this job and then I can get this and then I can do that. And yet many of us fall into that trap of thinking, if I just do this next thing, then everything will be better. But as soon as we get there, there's another thing that needs to get done. And so Alan Watts is challenging you in this one to think about, why don't you just live your life fully now? Why don't you just start? Why don't you just start living your life exactly how you want to live it? So that's another little provocation. And the last one is this notion of the real you. Who is that, right? I've asked you to bring along 4 words, right? So I want you to bring those words along, and maybe that video will help you to think a little bit about who are you? Who is the real you, all right? And if you do have any issues with that, any challenges, then ask your friends, ask your family, right? What would be the 4 words? Collate those words, find out what they are. Bring those words along. It's a really important starting point for you all in terms of this process of reflection. Remember, 40% of the unit's marks are to do with reflection. And I'm not just looking for any garden variety reflection. A very specific process. You can find that if you go on to Blackboard. You can look in assessments, go to interim learning report. If you click on there, you'll find the steps model video, so you can start to prepare yourself for this process of reflection. I've got a couple of example reflections already sitting there, and as I've said to the people who came along to the optional workshop sessions this week, I'll take a question from you guys. You guys can work out what it is you want me to reflect on, right? And within a few days of that first workshop, I'll give you back my reflections, right? As they're the ones that I've posted online. They're reflections that I've answered for other people. And I'm happy to do that for you guys. And you can sort of see how I'm expecting you to engage in this process of reflection as well, okay? So that's it. Very short online tutorial this time. I want you to engage with the 4 videos that are sitting in the food for thought area, and I want you to ask yourself those questions. What does happiness look like for me as I go through and into life? If money was no option, What might I decide to take on? Am I living my life fully now? Am I waiting for all these other things to keep happening in my life so that everything eventually will fall into place? And who is the real you, right? Who is that? What are those 4 words? So, I hope you're enjoying everything else that's happening in your semester in terms of your other units. If you have any problems, just come to me. Send me an email, ring me, whatever it may be, and let's have a chat. Look forward to meeting you all very soon. Cheers.